So recently I was working with some clients and it was a mom. Of course, it's always the moms with the mom guilt. I love you, moms. I'm here to help you. So she was saying to me that she always feels guilty about making her kids do chores because she only has so much time with them and she just wants to have fun, quality time with them. And it hit me. Americans have divorced fun and chores. We see them as two separate entities when they don't have to be. Like, so yeah, there is a way to handle chores and work in this world that is like really crappy. I mean, you can do it that way, but like there are ways to make chores fun. There are ways to make chores a part of life, but somehow in our society, we have divorced them. Like they can never be together. There's like, get your work done, get your school work. You need to get this stuff. And then you feel this guilt for like making them do things when it feels like shit. Like you really just feel bad because you're making them do something, but really it's the way it's been created. It's the way it's been designed. So let me tell you like a different way to do that. First, we need to marry them back together in like a holy matrimony of some sort. You know, we'll put them on an altar or something. I don't know. Fun chores. Let's find a way to bring them together. And here's how I want you to think of this. There are a lot of ways to make chores fun and just a part of life. One way to make chores fun is to play music. It's like, all right, we're going to play music. Another way is to make it a competition. Let's see who picks up as many toys as they can first, right? And then like whoever does gets a high five. And again, even making competition fun. Like there's a way we've divorced competition from fun, right? Like fun competition is just, oh, okay, good for you. I'm proud of you. And then when the next kid does it, good for you. I'm proud of you too. It doesn't be like, you all suck. This kid's the winner. Again, even with competition, keep it fun, keep it collaborative. Like, oh, look at you. You're getting faster at this, but this kid's doing well at this. And like, when I explained it to her that way, it was so interesting. She was like, oh yeah, like actually as a family, there have been times where we as a family kind of come together and all of us do a little bit of the chores. And then it becomes like, that was the thing we did. That was the fun way for us to spend quality time with each other. And so I really want you thinking about this. Like, in what ways have you divorced fun with day-to-day mundane activities or hard activities? Don't get me wrong. I don't think toilets are that fun, but there are ways to make cleaning toilets a little better by like music or by having routines or having different systems around it. Like every Saturday, we as a family come together and we all do our chores as a team. And so no, the cleaning of the toilet isn't as fun, but the fact that we're spending quality time together and laughing with each other and dancing while we do it is. And that's the missing piece is that there's a way that I feel like there's a way that we've approached work and life that is like just such a grind. Like this is like what it feels like to me. The way clients are talking about work and chores it's too stressful. So yeah, you're going to feel guilty about it if that's the way you're approaching it. And I'm asking you to think of like this life as a journey of joy and like how do we create joy through all of our activities, including work, including chores. So if you want to learn more about how to do that, please visit me at therapistintstlouis.com. Please like and subscribe for more information and submit comments below.